Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Period. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Press that like button and comment your favorite part of this video. Y'all, so I know I've been missing for quite some time. Don't worry about my shirt, y'all. I had this just like my little throw on shirt because I'm cleaning. That's besides the point. But what I'm about to say is, first and foremost, check out the little braids. You know what I'm saying? My best friend did my braids. Like, period. This is my little favorite part right here. Hold on, I gotta show y'all. This is my little favorite part, the little heart. So I had came up with this prank that I want to do on my best friend, and yeah, I'm not sure how this gonna go, but let me tell y'all what I thought of. I got this fake blood that I've been having for a long time, y'all. I've been having this for a long time, too long that I have not used it. I used it for like a TikTok once, but anyway, I'm thinking about using this and acting like my hand got caught in the garbage disposal. And this is a perfect prank because let me tell y'all, it's some glass stuck in the garbage disposal because one of our shot glasses got stuck. But I know that she don't know that, so that's why this is gonna be perfect. But the prank is that like I really hurt myself, so like yeah, I hope y'all get it because that's what I'm finna do. She not even home yet. Oh, I thought I had on my watch. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4:30 p.m.
It's 4:30. Shout out to Alexa. I don't get home till like about 5:30, so I got time to like think about it, make sure the camera's set up right. I got time, basically. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, y'all. I'm excited because I haven't done a prank in a long time, and I am goofy as hell. Like everything is funny to me. Everything is a joke. Like if you around me, like I did a prank on you most likely, like. But yes, I got this and I'm so freaking excited to use it because I know how dramatic I'm gonna be like. I'll go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. This gonna be tea. This gonna be tea, y'all. It's the tea right here. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all like once, you know, she get home and like, you know, we get in the kitchen and, you know, this is gonna be exciting. All right, y'all, so my best friend is home. I had to come in my room and then cut the TV up real loud just in case like she walk in her room or something, but I'm about to go ahead and get started. So I already got the ring light on. So we're gonna go and get started. My best friend is in the room. She's in the shower. I'm about to go ahead and get started. When she get out, I'm gonna need the camera right here. When she get out, I'm gonna go ahead and get this shit started. Let's go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my video. a prank. It's just a prank. Hush. It's hush. You okay, best friend? You drunk? Hush. Hush. She jumped off the couch so fast, y'all. She was sitting down chilling.
I almost opened up the door saying, fuck if Shinzy run out to go get a towel. I just had to think ahead, like, just go get another towel, girl.
Oh my. He's upset too. Like I got him riled up. Dude, hush.
He was like, he didn't know what the fuck was going on.
I'm okay. All right.
He like, what the hell?
I'm okay. Okay, look, he checking on both of us, like, dude, what was going on?
Okay.
But okay, you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this prank, go ahead and give this a thumbs up, y'all. Like, I was so nervous how this was gonna turn out, but like, I had it under my nail. Like, look, it's like all on my nails. I gotta wash my hand. It looked kind of real, like my nail was like broken, like the blood that be all up underneath the nail and stuff. But alright, y'all, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next prank.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. Doing out so sweet. Talking till we're asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love. Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Yeah, wait a minute. Don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep your thoughts straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we're asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall in my